had to, alright, have a new phone. So I went to the iPhone because District seems to work better with iPhones, so that's what I'm going to work to try to use. I'm not loving it. I am fighting. Oh, that's gorgeous. That belt buckle. That is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Gorgeous. And this is the other stuff that I want in that lot. And I spent, nope, it doesn't say, it just says number 87. I can't remember what I spent on this. I think it was like $12 plus shipping. Hold on. This piece here. That's really pretty. I don't believe it's a locket. It's gorgeous. I got this little guy, which is a pocket watch. This is gonna, I'm gonna apologize ahead of time, guys. I'm gonna pause and come back and open it. Not a pocket watch. It's like an Avon creamy perfume. It actually doesn't smell bad at all. It's actually not bad. Oh, that's right. The Cloisonné was one I won separately. So this is an individual auction. There's two little smiley faces. That's right. This was the lot that I bought for like 12 or 15. Look at that. Oh my gosh, my mom's gonna love that. It's probably gonna be hers. And I got these as is. So this is missing earrings. Oh, they're just pieces of is it Cloisonné or abalone shell? Those are good. Those can be redone. Got these little earrings. Little flowery earrings. Got this little heart with a crown. Looks like it's a pendant. Get a mermaid tail key. Okay. Those are pretty. I think there's the other one there, so good. A pair of these. Other side. Maybe. Okay, see if I can do this. Oops. Patent pending. Those are pretty. I've got shamrock charm. Another little Cloisonné, double-sided heart. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Let me go out again. Here we go. So then there's this. And this little locket pin. Yep, that does open. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, I am not holding the camera with my left hand and trying to do this with my right. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so fantastic. Very cool. I've got a little heart, like one of the, oh, look at that. Rhinestone, AB rhinestones. Mexico. Oh, the crushed turquoise. Really pretty. I've got this little guy. Oh, that's pretty too. I see some necklace making in my future. Oh, look at that. I do not know what stone that is. I don't think it's marked 925, but I'll test it. Wow, that is really cool. It is cold, so it is a stone. I've got this little shamrock. Looks like a charm. Another little key. Oh, a seahorse. That's very aquatic. Another little key. A little shamrock. Looks like a little stone fell out of it, but that's alright. Yep, there's the other earring there. So we got a pair of the little love knots. Tricolor. Those are adorable. That little. This little heart. Looks like it's a locket or like a scent one. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's really adorable. Another one of these. A little screwdriver for your glasses. Oh no, day 50, so 1 of 50. I don't know what that is. Got another one of these. And then we've got this little charm. Oh, that's pretty. Abalone, I think. Really pretty. Get a good cleaning of the little clover. Slippery. Little moon. Oh, another one of these. And last but not least, this little bead. So this was one that I got separately. Really pretty. Alright guys, I'm very impressed with this seller. I mean, the packaging, the giveaways, all the extras about themselves, business information. I think that speaks volumes about the quality of seller you're going to get from that. And I did not pay a lot for all of this. I think I paid $24 for everything here, plus shipping, so $30. Or it was $24 with shipping. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm very happy with it. Thanks, guys.